Hey guys, Casey Sanguins here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Hey, today I want to show you, this is a brand new, this is the 2019 model. They're just starting to roll in. This is the Jayco 267 BHSW. This has historically been one of my personal favorite trailers, and the upgrades they did in 19 make it even more so. This is both the Rocky Mountain Edition and the Baja package. We'll talk a little bit about what those packages include. One of them being the power tongue jack. You have to have that. A lot of people are pulling these with half-ton pickups, so you need the weight distribution hitch. Power tongue jack makes hooking up so much easier than cranking it by hand. Comes with the bigger propane tank, 7 gallons, and the covers. Pre-wired down here for a portable solar panel. Keep those batteries topped off all day. You got a nice diamond plate front cover. There's nothing new there. But the colors in general, the graphics are a lot better, I can't say better. I personally like them better, but they're different. You still got the nice full pass-through storage up front. Plenty of spots or plenty of space to put all your stuff. They changed the awning around a little bit. They still have a nice, almost full-length awning. You still, of course, have the LED light strip underneath, but they put the speakers in the awning down here on the bottom. Kind of a nice at the bottom, not catching all the water, a little closer to the trailer. They've added, I don't know if this is new, I don't recall, but there's a spot to mount your TV out here. You've got cable output and 110 power. The Baja package, this trailer sits up off the ground a little bit. They flipped the axles over and put a much better tire on it. That's a light truck, a pickup tire versus a trailer tire. A little more off-road design, a little more aggressive tread pattern. Back here, you've got more storage underneath the bunks. You can lift the bunk up inside as well, I'll show you that, but plenty of storage. Should be a 6-gallon hot water heater back here. You've got the ladder so you can keep the roof nice and clean, make sure nothing gets knocked off the top of it. Power back here, still 30 amp service. Spare tire, of course, back on the back where it's easy to get to if you ever need that. Hope you don't, but if you do, you don't want to be crawling around on the ground underneath trying to get it out. Outside shower, black tank flush, you want to have that. City water connection, all your connections inside. That's pretty much it for the outside. Let's go inside and see what new things we can find. All right, inside. First thing you notice, I would imagine, if you've looked at any other Jayco trailers, is the color changes. The colors are much brighter, much homier, just all around different. The basic floor plan is still the same, just a lot more comfortable feeling, a lot more homey. You still have the nice TV, the nice entertainment stack here in the front. Nice TV, plenty of storage both above and below the TV. The Rocky Mountain package gets you a nice an upgraded stereo system, better speakers around. I'll point out the things that the Rocky Mountain package gets as we find them. Up here in the front bedroom, not a whole lot's changed up here. You still have the nice hanging wardrobes. A little nicer hardware on the cabinets though. A little different color maybe, not a lot, but a little bit different. You still have some nice LED reading lights under here, and the shelf, plenty of space to fold all your clothes. There's power on both sides of the bed, and nice thing, a lot of people sleep with a CPAP machine. There's plenty of space to put a CPAP, or if you don't, just space for a cup of coffee, a bottle of water, whatever it is you may drink. You've got a spot to mount a TV up here in the bedroom, if that's important to you. Yeah, and the ducted air conditioning. You've got AC up here in the bedroom. Back here in the living room, the couch. This is something that's newer to these trailers, is the full hide-a-bed couch. It's no longer just a jackknife sofa. You got the full hide-a-bed. A lot of sleeping in here. Nice cabinet storage up here. You've always, of course, at Jayco, you're always going to have the nice hardware, the nice hinges, but they've changed the handles out a little bit. Again, just makes it look a little bit more modern, a little bit flashier. Nice booth dinette, folds down into bed for extra sleeping as well. And then back here in the back, you've got your bathroom. You've got the sink outside, which makes it possible so if somebody's using the restroom or showering in the morning, you can still have one of the kids brushing their teeth, getting ready for bed, or brushing their teeth in the morning, getting ready for the morning. Nice tub, shower. There's plenty of headroom in here, plus a fan. So out here in the bathroom area, you've of course got some storage. You've got a decent amount of storage underneath the cabinet. Got some plumbing down there, but you've also got a nice medicine cabinet. So plenty of room to extra toilet paper, toothbrushes, all that sort of stuff. The bunks, they still have the teddy bear bunk systems, of course. There's a nice double bunks, double over double. There's AC up on the top one. There's lights on both the top and bottom bunk, as well as a window. Again, we looked at the storage from the outside. From the inside, you can lift it up and get to it in here. You've still got a little bit of plumbing and some electrical stuff in there that you have to pack around, but you'll figure that out. Back here in the living area, you've got dual purpose, either pantry, or there is a hanging bar in there, so if you had some clothes you wanted to hang for the kiddos back there, or pantry space. You've got the nice big fridge and freezer, plenty of room for all of your cold goods. Up here in the kitchen, another place they've done some of the upgrades. The countertops are upgraded in 2019. They're more of a solid surface like material. There's no more of the T-molding in here. I always call it the breadcrumb trap that Grandma had at her house, right? No more catching the edge with your pocket. No more worrying about water. No more worrying about that thing coming off. It's one solid piece, more like a solid surface countertop. Got the low pro AC up here. Also, I didn't talk about the Rocky Mountain package, some of the other things. You've got a porcelain toilet, you've got the upgraded stereo system, but the biggest thing, especially in a bunkhouse, the Rocky Mountain package gets you 80 gallons of fresh water. Basically, they put 2 fresh water tanks on there. So a normal 267 would only have 40 gallons. This Baja Packer, or the Rocky Mountain edition rather, has 80 gallons of fresh water. So again, that's a lot of showers, a lot of hand washing, a lot of toilet flushing. So yeah, that is the 2019 Jayco 267 BHSW. My name's Casey Sanguins. If you have any questions about this or any other products we may have in stock, give me a call. It's 541-953-9171. Talk soon.